Is there a not equal operator in Python? How would you say does not equal? Like. Is there something equivalent to equals that means not equal?
Use not equal. See comparison operators. For comparing object identities, you can use the keyword is and its negation is not, e.g.
Not equal versus equals smiley face. Are you asking about something like this? This Python basic operators chart might be helpful.
There's the not equal operator that returns true when two values differ, though be careful with the types because 1 not equal 1. This will always return true and 1 equals 1 will always return false, since the types differ. Python is dynamically, but strongly typed, and other statically typed languages would complain about comparing different types. There's also the else clause. The is operator is the object identity operator used to check if two objects in fact are the same.
You can use both not equal or is lower than ... However, note that not equal is preferred where is lower than ... is greater than is deprecated.
Seeing as everyone else has already listed most of the other ways to say not equal, I will just add. In this case, it is simple switching the check of positive equals true to negative and vice versa.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.